If you want something that really stands out, that really makes a statement that your neighbor's not going to have, this is called the WaterSconce. Hey guys, California Faucets, as we know, is always innovating and finding new products to come to the market with. Some very unique products to bring to you, and now they brought out some new shower heads to add to their collections. If you want something that really stands out, that really makes a statement that your neighbor's not going to have, this is called the WaterSconce. It's actually modeled after a lighting sconce. It is a multi-function shower head. We have multiple trim rings to go around the side. This is a knurled. We also have a coined option available in all of our finishes. And this is the shower arm here. So this will be the edge of the wall. It actually attaches with a quick connect, so it's very easy to install. This is the WaterSconce, a new shower head from California Faucets. They also came out with a shower head or a rain head called RainScape. That's what I'm opening up here. I want to show you how it comes. It's going to come with this template. I'll explain this template later, but wanted to show you what it comes with. This is the new RainScape rain head. It's a 14 by 14 rain head. Now what makes this unique? It's solid brass. So what does that mean? You can do all of our finishes and they're going to match your shower completely. That's very rare and very unique for a rain-mounted shower head. Also, the installation. The installation is super simple on this RainScape. You actually use that template I just showed you. You put it up on the ceiling. You cut out that square. This is where this is going to recess into the ceiling. You're going to drill pilot holes for these screws. It's going to come with wood screws and drywall anchors. If there's a ceiling joist running through, you put that wood screw up into the ceiling joist. If not, you can actually install this directly into the drywall using the drywall anchors. After that, the plumber threads on the hose, you turn it on and it's ready to use. Super unique, great price point, all the finishes, something very unique in the WaterSconce. Always coming out with new products, always innovating, always finding the things that you need. California Faucets.